Let's kill some aliens.
That one there's the penis pump.
Welcome back to the channel, gang. Today we are reviewing the Pulse 95 Reaper mod, which is an absolute behemoth of a mod for your RS3 Reapers, the light guns that just keep on giving. And if you want to convert your RS3 Reaper from this to this in 30 seconds, this is something you're going to want to look into. This is definitely one of the quickest and easiest mods that I have ever messed with. Now this mod is available through T. Carter Designs. I will be dropping both website addresses where you can purchase the same products from both of his websites. Now, if any of you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Also, if you haven't checked out any of my merch, I will drop the link in the description. Grab yourself some threads. Now, one of the best things about this mod is I have both versions of the Reapers. So I have my V1 right here, and this is the V2 mod. This mod works just the same on both versions of your Reapers, so you don't need to be version specific when you are shopping. Go ahead and buy with confidence because this thing is going to work on any version of the Reaper RS3. Unfortunately, it's not going to work on the OG pink and blue guns, but any version of your RS3 Reapers, you are good to go. If you're in the market for an RS3 Reaper mod that works for you, this behemoth you see in front of me is only 99 bucks. Now, of course, I'm going to save you guys some money, so if you decide that you'd like to buy the T. Carter Designs Reaper mod, use promo code SCANTRON5K, save 15% off of any order on the website, and that includes any mod, any part, anything, save 15%. Now there are a couple small options with this mod and I will show you that momentarily. Let's go ahead, unbox, and I will give you the info and pricing on some of these other little goodies as we move along. And more importantly, let's lose. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed and see what we are working with here. First things first, we have our package here with our barrel. We have a barrel cover in there, and then there's a card. This is very important. Your card is gonna have a QR code, so it will give you an instructional video on how to set up your gun. We also have 3 pins right here, which you're gonna be using for the project. You're only gonna be using 2 of them, so it's good to have an extra. All right, so here's our top piece for the Pulse 95 Reaper mod right here. All right, so now we have our rail piece for the gun right here. This is gonna slide on the bottom side of your gun. Here is your optional wall hanger. So you do have a wall hanger. These are 15 bucks on the website. If you are buying 2 guns, then they are included. If you're buying 1 gun, it's an extra 15 bucks, but here we go if you wanna mount this to your wall and have something dope to hang it on. All right, so here we have our stock. This is going to clip in to the end of the kit, so you have a nice short little stock right here. And last but not least, we have a longer stock, so I'm gonna be showing you guys this optional longer stock. If you are already buying this kit, this stock will be $29. If you're buying 2 guns, it's gonna be discounted down to $22 a piece. This is also going to be used for the shotgun mod that he is working on right now. So if you guys wanna take a look at some of the other products, this will be included with the shotgun mod. But for today's video, I'm gonna be using the shorter stock that comes with the Pulse 95, and I might just swap it out with the longer one. So here's the difference between the two. If you want your mod to be a little bit more extra, maybe you wanna roll with the longer stock. Now for all intents and purposes, this is what you will be receiving when you make your purchase for the Pulse 95 Reaper mod. So if you wanna get the optional wall hanger and the longer stock and you wanna just add that to your order, or you wanna swap out the shorter stock for this one, that SCANTRON5K code is gonna get you 15% off of these extra goodies as well. Now let's talk about colors. As far as the colors go, you see I did black. You have the option of black. You can do this in gray. And then there is an option of army green, pink, and blue. So pick your poison. All right, let's get this bad boy put together. I'm gonna put this kit on my Reaper. And again, this works for Reaper version 1 or 2. I'm not gonna be using this extra pin, and I don't need a black barrel cover because I already have one on my Reaper. First things first, we're gonna wanna insert the barrel into the top of the gun piece right here. Now, keep in mind, I've been told once you do this, it ain't coming back out. And if it does, it might be kind of difficult. So let's go ahead and get that in there nice and tight. There we go, got our barrel. Next, we want to slide the rail piece over the bottom of the gun like so. And then you're gonna want to give it a little help right here. Lift that up, get it past your little D-pad there, and we are all set. So now we have it on the bottom side. Now we're gonna take our top piece right here. We're just gonna hang it over the back of the gun. That is literally that. And we got 2 pins to put in, so let's go ahead and secure it. On the top side of the gun, you're gonna see that that top piece sets right down on top of the rail piece that you put on, and there are a couple of holes. You're just gonna pop these pins in. And that is it. So we are good as gold, and then we just wanna pop that stock on the end, so let's get that out of the way. Here we have our short stock piece right here. All right, so that is clipped into place. This is it, fully assembled. Check this out. No, this thing is actually dope. Let's give it a test pump right here. This literally took all of 30 seconds to put on. I will say it's a very easy mod to put on, and I have tested it on my Reaper version 1. It works just the same. And for those of you who are gonna be purchasing the wall mount, go ahead and mount this to your wall, and this is gonna slide on just like so. If you're getting 2 guns, you can't go wrong with the wall mount. Let's go ahead and field test this bitch. Let's kill some aliens. Armageddon, don't mind if I do. Go, boy. Always friendly fire. Yeah, take those. Oh yeah. A nice pump slap for the reload there. That slide reload is a way better feature than I expected it to be. It doesn't have to be slide to reload. You can make the pump slide do anything you want. You can set it to grenades, reload, whatever. Throw a grenade, let's see a grenade. Try throwing a grenade. Yeah, that pump reload is a satisfying slide. Oh, we got the big boss here. What's up, dog? Boy. I'd say that passes the test. I'm gonna trade out this stock and put the long gun on just because I got it. Might as well. Now we can move on. Let's kill some Terminators. Wouldn't be a light gun review if I didn't kill some T-800s. Go up, what? Man. Satisfying. Kill them all. Nope, paid 0 attention on that. Yeah, you had gas again, right? All right, boys. Throw a couple grenades for good measure. Stock sticks really comfortable on the shoulder. Okay. I'm definitely impressed with this thing. Let's move on. Let's carry some stupid ducks. Time to go back single shot. If I could shoot this dog every single time, I would. I know y'all would too. It's good for the classics too. It's a bit beefy for a classic, but who cares? Oh, I might be a little close to the... Oh my God! Yep. And that's why you never try to shoot the dog. Fail. Nah, skeet skeet. Oh my. That's what happens when you say something. This is why I say let's lose. That's a perfect example. I was really curious how this mod would work, especially with the light gun lens being up on the top, but it hasn't had any issues with the aim. Sometimes I stand too close, but other than that, this thing is doing the trick. Super comfortable. I really like the style. I like the way it looks, easy to take on and off. One more time for good measure. That's what I thought. Yeah, raise them ducks. Raise them ducks. Got him! No laughing from this bitch. There you have it for the Pulse 95 Reaper mod for your RS3 Reapers from T. Carter Designs. I will drop all of the links in the description so you guys can shop. Make sure you save 15% with Scantron 5K promo code. Do not forget to save that money. I think this is definitely a mod to be reckoned with. This is going to be a good competitor in the Reaper mods. I know there's a lot of them out there to choose from, but this one really does make the entire gun feel like a whole new gun. I like the way it feels. I like the way the pump slide works. The good news is, on this side of the gun, you still have access to these buttons, so if you don't want to use pump slide and you just want to push the buttons, you still have that option. So this is everything that you're gonna get with the Pulse 95 Reaper mod. You guys, please make sure you like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you've been looking for a mod for your Reapers, this is definitely a contender and absolutely worth checking out. I got some more gaming, drinking, and killing to do. So until next time, gang, let's lose.